In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple but effective funnel in which you're going to be capturing people's name and email. And this actually is going to help you. It doesn't matter if you have your own product, your own service, if you're doing MRR, or if you're doing affiliate marketing. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple funnel. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Something really important, guys, is that this can be the difference between making money online and not making money online. The reason why I say this is because this is actually the basic if you're really serious about having an online business. You have to remember that people are not with their wallet or with the credit card like, hey, I'm going to buy everything that it show up right away. Okay. So let me share with you my screen because I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what I'm going to be doing here on my computer. Okay. First of all, this is going to be the funnel that we are going to be creating. It's going to be something like this. Okay. Okay. So you're going to have the, whoops, I don't know why it actually got deleted. Let me refresh here. It is really fast. Okay, so this is how the actual funnel is going to look like. Here, you're going to grab the people name and email. Okay, if you're an affiliate, you're going to create something that it's called a bridge page. Okay, this can be a video or this can be text. And here we're going to have a call to action. Okay, here we're going to have a call to action. And after that, okay, we are going to be recommending their the product. Okay. How you can create this simple funnel, I'm going to show you everything here. Okay. We are going to be using a tool that is called Systeme.io. Systeme.io, if you use the link below, you can create your account for free. The only thing that you will need to provide is your email address, as you can see here, forever free, no credit card required. Okay. And after that, okay, you're going to check on your dashboard. Okay. Then what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be clicking here where it says funnels. Okay. Here where it says funnels. And after that, here where it says create. Okay. That's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be clicking funnels and then you're going to click here where it says create. Here on create, it's going to ask you like, hey, what type of funnel do you want to create? Okay. In my case, I'm going to be looking to build an audience because remember that people are not with their wallet like, hey, I'm going to purchase everything that is show up. Okay. So I'm going to put here YT tutorial. Okay. Tutorial. And then I'm going to click here where it says build an audience. And then I'm going to click here where it says save. Okay. One cool thing that I like about Systeme.io is the fact that it actually gave me everything that I needed. Okay, here I have what they call the squeeze page, and here what they call the thank you page, which is basically these two pages. Okay, this one is the squeeze page, and this one is the thank you page. Okay, so as you can see, I do have several templates. I like to go with something super simple, but this is something, you know, that has been doing for a really long time or several years. And I go with something simple, but you have different mock-ups here. You can choose the one that you like. You can even start from scratch. But I prefer that if you're just getting started, go with something simple. Okay. And I'm going to even show you how you can actually, well, it's going to be more like a formula. Okay. If you want to actually go and create this. For example, I can go with this one. If you like, you can click here where it says preview. Sometimes it doesn't show everything exactly as it is, but here I can click here. Okay. And here I'm supposed to have a pop-up. So this one is not actually showing me the pop-up. Okay. But this is going to be a great example. This one is another great example. Okay. So let's say that you are going to be giving away an ebook. Okay. You went to Canva. You actually design your ebook. Maybe you were doing something with Chat GPT. Okay. So let's go with this one, where this is the one that we're going to be using in an example. Okay. It has a lot of things. I'm going to be removing some of them because I want to make sure that it's going to be something simple. Okay. So I'm going to click here where it says select. Okay. It's asking me, do you want to change the name? I'm not going to be changing the name. Okay. I'm going to click here where it says edit page. And now, okay, now it's showing me all the elements. Okay. Since this is going to be a capture page, what we want to do is that we want to collect people name and email address, or just the email address, but we don't want to have any distractors like this here. Okay. So I can go and I can definitely delete this. Okay. I like to go with really simple things. Okay. I can also delete this, and I can also delete this entire section if I want. Maybe you don't need the testimonials. Okay. Let's say that I'm going to leave this really simple. Okay. Just like this. Okay. So here it says free ebook. Here we have 9 must use tools for SMS, uh, SMM. Okay. If you are not 100% sure, like, okay, what kind of title can I use? There is a formula that I usually use. Again, it doesn't matter if you are doing affiliate marketing or you have your own product, your own service. It's going to be like this. Okay. This is actually how it looks like. Okay. Let me make this bigger. Okay. It's going to be something like this. Okay, it's going to be how to in even if. Okay. Here we're going to have how to. Okay. We're going to have solution. Okay. In, we're going to put here some time frame. Okay. And here, even if this the usual objection. Okay. So how this actually works is it's going to be just like this. Okay. I'm going to copy and paste it here because I want to show you something like that. So let's say how you are going to, how to, okay, get in shape, let's say, okay, how to get in shape in, okay, 15 days, even if you hate to work out. Okay. So this is actually the formula. Let's say you can go with how to lose weight or how to lose belly fat in 7 days, even if you eat pizza. Okay. You can go that route. So this is actually the easier way. So I'm going to copy this just to go with the example. Okay. You can actually delete this if you want. Boom. Here I have it. Okay. You can actually change the font size. So you can see this is one of the things that I like about Systeme.io. Okay. Okay. This is one that the things that I like about Systeme.io is the fact that everything is drag and drop. If I want to, to add some elements, I can do this. Okay. I can even copy this. And right now I have this one is for my email, but I want to collect the person name. So you can click here. You can go with first name, and you can go here and change. And let's say rather than first name is going to be just name or your name. Okay. So let's say that I already finished with it. I like something like this, super simple. So you're going to click here where it says save changes. Okay. After that, you're going to click here. If you don't do that, if the changes are not going to be saved. And now we are going to go with this, okay, which is the thank you page. Okay. Something really important, guys. This is the thank you page in which we are going to be introducing the opportunity. Okay. The opportunity in which we earn commissions. Okay. Here, you're going to let them know that there is going to be in this case, it's going to be a free ebook that they're going to get it, but it's going to be on their email address. Okay, they're gonna receive it on their email. That if they're really serious about in this case, getting in shape, lose weight, get ripped, you know, there is an opportunity. They can go and click here. Okay, they can go and click here, and they're gonna have the opportunity. Okay, they're gonna have the opportunity in which you're gonna be earning money, or this can be an affiliate commission, an affiliate program. This can be your own program. Okay, and one cool thing that I really like about Systeme.io is the fact that this is an all-in-one marketing solution, so you can actually start sending people email. Okay, you can send them email with information and with different products. Okay, how does this works? Okay, here I have the squeeze page. Now I need to go with the thank you page. Again, with the thank you page, I like something simple. I usually use this one. It's super simple. Okay, you can go and you can explore other options here. Okay, but that's usually the one that I use. You can actually add a video. In my case, I prefer, to introduce me, and I prefer to show people, who I am and that stuff. But it's optional. If you don't want to be on camera, you can actually use just a text. Okay, let's say that I'm going to go with this one. Okay, so here I am. I'm going to click here where it says edit page. And now, okay, I can get rid of this because I want to make sure that they know that there is something else. This is not actually the end. Okay, I can thank them, thank you for submitting your information, or congratulations for submitting your information. I can put here like, hey, you're going to receive your ebook. Remember that this is what I am actually uh, offering for free. Okay, you're going to get it on your inbox, blah, 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 blah. And here I have like, if you are really serious about Beyond Shape, okay, click this link. And this is going to be my affiliate link. I'm going to click here, and you are going to replace this with your affiliate link. Okay. Remember that I told you that you can actually add different things here on Systeme.io. Let's say that you don't want to go just with text, that you would like to go with a video. Okay. So you can actually drag it and drop it here. Boom. Here is it. Diana, no, I wanted to actually have it below this text. Okay. We're going to click here. Okay, let me move it here. Oops. Okay, I'm having some technical issues here with my computer, but anyways, this is actually how it usually works. Okay, this is actually how it usually works. It's literally drag and drop. Okay, you don't have to overthink. There are other options here that you can actually play with. It's really easy, really simple. Remember that if you want to change something, maybe you want to say change the font size, literally you need to click it. If you want to make, let's say, this text bold, you can make it bold. If you want to change the font, you can actually change it here. Okay. If you want to change spacing, the color, and all this stuff, it's actually really, really simple. And this is how it actually gonna be. You're gonna look it on a mobile device. So everything is ready. It's really easy, really simple. Again, now what we're going to need to do is we need to click here where it says save change. And just as simple as that, we have our capture page. Okay, just as simple as that, we have our simple funnel with our capture page, and it is literally ready. Okay, you can preview it here. You funnel. Here is it. Okay, so again, guys, if you want to actually learn more about this, there's going to be a link below. There's going to be the very first link in the description. If you want to create and have a free account, I'm going to be leaving a link below as well in the description. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. I see you guys on the next video.